You've got a new patient and their entire history just landed in your inbox as 12 PDFs. This is what Scratchpad is for. Quick recap. AI Scribe records a live visit. Voice Chart is for dictating a note. Scratchpad is different. There's no patient in front of you. You have documents, and you need a note. A transfer from an outside hospital, a referral from another clinic, records you pulled from the Health Information Exchange, anything where the information already exists. It's just not in your note. Paste it in, consult notes, discharge summary, transfer report, labs, or drop the PDFs straight into attachments. Whatever form it arrived in, Scratchpad takes it. Need to add something the records don't have? Tap the mic and dictate it, your assessment, your plan, what you actually saw. Then set it up like any other note. Label the patient, pick your template, choose the setting and visit type, and turn on the billing codes you want. Hit Convert to Note, and it's a structured note. Subjective, objective, assessment and plan, coded and ready. Copilot's right there if you want to check it for gaps. Available now on Chartnote. Scratchpad. Records in, note out.